Coming up this week, this week, oh my God. I'll try that again. Oh my word, right, okay, let's try that again. Oh dear me. Right, we'll go for that again, I think. Scrap that bit, because Rhys's brain's gone to mush. Right, here we go. Right, we're gonna go again. All right, so 3, 2, I'm gonna leave that in, and that's gonna be the blooper at the beginning of this, because everyone keeps saying you do bloopers. Yes, if we recorded all the bloopers, we would never get any wax removal done, because there's so many of them. Okay, let's try it again. So,
an hours long video at the end of the year with all our bloopers for the
oh my
for the
God,
year.
like hours. Because it'll be about 20, like a blooper-a-thon.
Yeah, would you?
Anyway, sorry dudes. Yes, coming up in this week's videos, guys, on Audiology Associates, we got loads of plugs this week.
Yeah, we've got long plugs,
Deep plugs,
soft plugs,
hard plugs.
dry skin.
Yes, what else have we got in there? Yeah, we got lots of skin. We had some soft skin, some dry skin. I'm trying to think what else we've had in there. Just also, it seems to be all deep plugs. We've had some chunky plugs as well this week coming up, haven't we? Which is all coming up for you guys on your subscription or your membership, whichever one of those two you've gone for. So it's all coming up for you guys this week. So make sure you stay tuned for the videos this week, guys. And me, myself,
myself, and Taylor.
Me, myself, and Taylor. Me, myself, and Taylor. We'll see you for the videos this week. We'll be back together, I think it's all next week for videos as well. So, yeah, we've got a good run coming up with just the two of us. So, guys, thank you so much for watching the video, and we shall see you soon. Bye, everyone.
Bye.